Have you ever noticed how your body just slows down over time? You wake up tired, your stomach feels heavy. Meals that used to energize you now leave you bloated. You start thinking, maybe this is just part of getting older. But what if it isn't? What if your body is simply crying out for something it's not getting enough of? Not a pill, not another supplement, but real food that helps your gut come alive again. You see, your gut isn't just where digestion happens. It's your second brain, a living, breathing ecosystem of bacteria that affects your energy, your immunity, even your mood. But those good bacteria can't survive on their own. They need to eat too. That's where prebiotics come in. Natural fibers found in certain foods that feed your gut's good guys, helping them fight off the bad ones and restore balance from the inside out. And while supplements try to mimic this, nature already does it better. So today, let's look at 9 everyday foods that quietly contain more prebiotics than most supplements, and how they can bring your gut and your energy back to life. Food number 1, dandelion greens. Most people see dandelions as weeds, but for centuries their leaves have been treasured as medicine, rich in inulin, a special fiber that feeds your gut bacteria and helps your body digest food more efficiently. This same humble plant can help lower blood sugar, soothe inflammation, and protect your liver. Add a handful of dandelion greens to your salad or smoothie, and you're giving your gut the nourishment it's been missing for years. Food number 2, Jerusalem artichokes. Also called sunchokes, these knobby little roots are one of the richest natural sources of prebiotic fiber. They feed your gut bacteria like fertilizer feeds a garden, helping the good microbes grow strong while keeping the harmful ones in check. They also keep your digestion regular, support heart health, and boost your immune defenses. Roasted or made into a creamy soup, Jerusalem artichokes are one of nature's best-kept secrets. Food number 3, garlic. Garlic is more than flavor, it's medicine in disguise. Inside each clove are prebiotics that fuel your gut's healthiest bacteria and help your body produce short-chain fatty acids, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, balance immunity, and protect your gut lining. When your gut thrives, everything else follows: your mood, your focus, your energy. So next time you cook, remember, that simple clove of garlic is doing more than you think. Food number 4, leeks. Soft, mild, and fragrant leeks belong to the same family as garlic and onions, and they carry the same gut-healing power. They're packed with inulin and other compounds that support healthy blood flow, lower cholesterol, and calm inflammation. Just a few slices of leek added to your soups or stews can help strengthen your gut bacteria and keep your metabolism humming. Food number 5, onions. Few foods are as common or as underestimated as onions. Behind every layer lies a wealth of prebiotic fiber that feeds your gut bacteria and helps produce butyrate, a natural compound that protects your intestinal lining. Whether they're raw, grilled, or baked, onions quietly help build a stronger, more resilient gut. And when your gut feels better, so does the rest of you. Food number 6, cowpeas. Known to many as black-eyed peas, these humble legumes are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, the perfect balance for a healthy gut. They support regular digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and nourish the bacteria that keep your immune system alert. Packed with vitamins and minerals like B6, iron, and potassium, cowpeas are proof that simple, traditional foods often carry the most powerful medicine. Food number 7, asparagus. Elegant and tender, asparagus is far more than a dinner side. It's rich in inulin and other soluble fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria and support smoother digestion. Over time, asparagus can help reduce the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation, all by supporting the quiet work happening inside your gut. Food number 8, all-bran cereal. Even among processed foods, a few still stand tall, and wheat bran is one of them. Cereal made from real bran, like all bran, provides insoluble fiber that keeps your digestion moving and your gut bacteria active. It's also fortified with essential nutrients like vitamin D, iron, and folic acid. Just make sure you choose low-sugar versions so your gut gets the good stuff without the extras. Food number 9, bananas. And finally, the humble banana. Especially when slightly green, bananas are rich in resistant starch, a special type of prebiotic that helps your gut bacteria produce butyrate, a compound that heals and strengthens your intestinal walls. They're gentle, easy to digest, and a perfect snack for anyone with a sensitive stomach. Simple, natural, and powerful. The bottom line, you don't need fancy supplements or miracle powders to fix your gut. What you truly need is real food, and the kind that works with your body, not against it. These 9 foods feed your gut's ecosystem, helping you feel lighter, calmer, and more energized from the inside out. Because your gut isn't just about digestion, it's the foundation of your health, your mood, and your longevity. So the next time your stomach feels off or your energy dips for no reason, remember, maybe your body isn't broken. Maybe it's just waiting to be nourished. Because healing doesn't always start in a pill bottle. Sometimes it starts on your plate.